Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. It's lovely to have you here. Today we're doing a 5-minute balance challenge. So these are going to be a mix of exercises to challenge your balance as well as work your core, because you know I love to work my core, all with that Pilates mindset, okay? So go ahead, get yourselves ready, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. Let's start with our feet hip width apart. We're going to pull the belly button in, tuck your tailbone under, and think of trying to create space between hips and the ribs. Now you're going to take your right leg forward. Okay, so our first challenge is to bring our arms up like so, crossing them and just standing here for a moment. Just give yourselves a moment, think of lifting up. And then from here, we're going to lift the leg up and we're going to circle it out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're going to place the foot down, and then from there, you're going to exhale, lift the leg up. Inhale, lower, and tap the floor. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. One more. Lift and lower. Let's change legs. So lifting up through that body, we're going to raise the leg up. We're going to circle the foot out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Place the toe down. Exhale, lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring that leg down. Now we're going to take our leg to the side and we're going to take our arms down. So we're still pulling up through the body. All right, and we're going to take our arms out, and what's going to happen is we're going to lift this leg and this arm out and down, out and down, lift and lower, lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. See if you can hold it there for 4, 3, 2, 1, and come on down. Let's go on to the other side. So drawing the tummy in, let's bring the arms down, and here we go. Lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Now I'm going to go a little bit sideways to you, and we're going to take one leg behind us. All right, and we've got this knee soft. We've got our tummy pulling in, and we're slightly tucking under, and we're going to try and keep this connection. All right, we're going to bring those arms back in front, and then what you're going to do is lift the knee up and take it back. Lift it up and take it back. Lift and back. Lift and back. Lift and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Let's go on to the other side. So folding those arms. So think tummy in, arms folded. And here we go. We're going to lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Back to the other side. And we're going to do a hamstring curl. So you're going to draw the tummy in, or you're going to come down. And we're going to bring our arms forward and cross them over, shoulders down. Okay, so you've got the weight in this front leg. You're going to kick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the leg up and see if you can extend the leg and the arms out for a balance for 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to go to the other side. All right, so coming down, bending the knees. Let's bring those arms around. And here we go. So hamstring curl, kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Extend the leg out. Let's extend the arms out as well. For 4, 3, 2, 1, and come on down. Okay, that should be 5 minutes, so let's just do a little roll down. So take a breath in, exhale, chin to the chest, and if you can, keep the legs straight just so you can stretch everything out. Coming down, inhale, and exhale, coming back up. And there's your little challenge for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is a great one to add on to another one of my workouts. So think of adding it at the end of a session or the beginning of a session to get yourself either warmed up or cooled down. Anyway, don't forget to press the like button and do share with your friends, and I hope to see you soon. Take care and bye for now.